Got it.
Nice shot right there. Oh, that's so sad. See, this is what happens when you try to look like the girls in the magazine.
That was crowded. So we have drinks. We're all crowded in here together. Let's eat our thorn wine. Got it. All right, that's what we're getting. Can't wait.
It's super crowded in here.
All right. Some pumps right now. Got it. Excuse me. Yeah. It's crowded in here right now. We're like, everyone's trying to get a wine. We're stuck, but we knew what we wanted, and now we got it. I'm not a Death Eater yet, but I'm practicing. We'll get some more with more space.
There we go.
Got it?
That's a nice shot right there.
It's not interactive.
Oh, it's not interactive?
The gold one.
When does it come in and interact with it? Only gold.
Only gold?
Only gold.
Oh, that's so sad. But it's a good thing that you told us, or else we would have just bought that.
These are all interactive, right? Yeah.
This one with the skull's cool, or that one next to it.
This one's cool, right? Do you want that one?
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright. Back in line.
Is that okay?
Thanks for the heads up, because we would have been so sad.
We're trying to,
Your mouth's gonna be right here on this side.
Okay, cool. Awesome, thank you. And that one's real nice, though. This is really cool looking. I was like, oh, I really like the thorn one.
Yeah, it's a really cool looking one. I wish I could get
I'll probably still get it later. That was crowded. You need to go to the public convenience?
Nope, no public convenience for me yet.
Alright, well. I don't know what that was. That was cool. That was exciting. You got it?
Yeah.
Where are we going? So they didn't have the one we wanted, but well, they did, but it wasn't interactive. It's pretty sick. That's cool, huh?
See, this is what happens when you try to look like the girls in the magazines.
A snake gets on top of your head,
Yes.
and then got that?
Yep. Nice.
Alright, so today we'll be doing we'll be doing both of these, hopefully. And these are all the interactive spots. So I'll be having drinks.